Today we are going to restore a hand plane on Character Red Workshop, and we're going to do it in less than 2 minutes. I have all the steps listed in the description below, but the first step is going to be disassembly, and then we're going to soak it in some white vinegar to start off. I also had a small crack in the handle, so I filled that with some StarBond CA glue, and then I sanded it down. I was really bummed that I could not keep the original sticker that was on the plane. So after it soaked for a little bit, I took my Dremel to the sides just to make sure I get all the rust off. This was rusted pretty badly, as you can tell. After this part of the process was wrapping up, there still was a little bit of rust on it, so I soaked it in citric acid, and then I wiped everything off with a Scotch-Brite pad, and that seemed to really do the trick. After the citric acid did its magic, it was time to clean everything up, and I decided to throw the logo in the place where the Stanley original sticker used to be. I went over to a buddy's house and we knocked this out, and I think it turned out really awesome. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next video. See you guys.